Welcome to the Pangolin, Cavant, and Unity booth here at LDI 2022. The main show will begin in just a few minutes. Hang out, check out the new merch, and get ready because you won't want to miss this. Last year, we released our revolutionary BeamBrush laser systems, which allow you to control the size and width of a laser beam in real time. At any moment, you can completely control the size of a beam on any part of any frame. It's just that fast. From the ability to mimic moving head and beam type lighting fixtures to its contribution to safer and more beautiful audience scanning shows with smooth transitions and beam diameter precision, as well as its ability to enhance the beauty of laser graphics and abstracts, providing a new dimensionality that takes laser graphics beyond the cartoony effects we have come to know. In the short time since its release, BeamBrush has become the primary choice for many, being used around the world on several tours and installations, praised for its functionality and artistic capabilities, and our design and development teams are truly delighted every time they are able to see this incredible technology in use. Now, it's time to talk about what you came here for. We are happy to present the 2022 Atom and Spectrum. Both Atom and Spectrum have been completely revolutionized, starting from the ground up. Both systems have been built with an entirely new chassis that uses an incredible material called foam aluminum, known for its lightweight and durability. The inclusion of foam aluminum has made the 2022 models 30% lighter and more durable than their predecessors. In addition to the lightweight and durability, the foam aluminum chassis is designed with a protective measure that allows the housing to crush an impact, absorbing the force and protecting the internal components, preventing the system from being out of a show or completely destroyed. The core of our new design is the floating heatsink, which channels the heat from the internal electronics out of the system, with the assistance of IP65 rated cooling fans. The heatsink is mounted inside of the chassis using a flexible seal, which reduces vibrations and allows the system to overcome heat expansion without risk of deformation, which often leads to color misalignment. And if your system does need to be aligned, we've changed from screws to half-turn latches, cutting down the amount of time it takes to align a system. While the housing of the Atom and Spectrum may be similar, the internal components are far from the same. The Atom is a traditional semiconductor FAC diode-based laser at its core, offered in 20, 30, and 42 watt versions. The Atom is an affordable solution for medium to large events, but the Spectrum is on a whole new wavelength. The 2022 Spectrum contains diode-based laser modules that produce near OPSL beam specifications, allowing you to achieve close to inline the brightness of OPSL at a significantly lower cost. In addition, Spectrum lasers come standard with a coherent OPSL module in either 590nm orange or 577nm yellow, which allows Spectrum to produce a broad range of colors and significantly increase the overall luminosity of the projector. These enhancements allow Spectrum to be much brighter per watt, producing a nice, tight, and sharp beam with incredibly low divergence, and allowing for much brighter laser projections across vast distances. The new Spectrum is offered in 3 models, a 30 watt with orange OPSL, or a 33 watt and a 45 watt with yellow OPSL, with customizable configurations available. But that's enough talking. It's time to show you what our laser systems can really do.
Give me something cause I'm getting low. What's your secret cause I need to know? How do you stay so fucking positive? I got damage and it won't let go, but there's a way to be like you, I know. How do I keep myself sane in this? Come around and see me fade. Think I got good at that. Used to think I'm really brave. Guess I never really was. If I only had your heart, I could beat the system. If my darkness comes to flight, don't pretend you missed it. Yes, I'll always have it. Oh, you have so much potential. Yes, I'll always have it. Guess I never really was.
If I really focus, I can hear you breathe a mile away. Would you even notice? If I packed a bag, decide to stay, will I ever leave? Or will I become what I always was and always will be? My mind will explode like it always does. You can make me blow my head till everything I know's all over you.
We thank you for visiting the Pangolin, Gavant, and Unity booth. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free swag bag. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, talk to one of our staff. And until next time, enjoy the rest of your time at LDI 2022.